Welcome back to the next lesson in an Introduction to Domains, a free course brought to you by Hover.com. In the last lesson, we learned how to find and register a domain. In this lesson, we're going to walk through some of the details of that domain so we have an understanding of what we're modifying and what we can do through the Hover dashboard. What we see on the screen here is the old dashboard for Hover. Depending on what account you have, you might still see this, but anybody can see the brand new control panel that Hover has been working on. It is nearly complete at the time of this recording, and you can try it out today. There's a link at the top. If you click try it out today, it will take you to hover.com/control_panel. So that's what we'll be working on for the rest of the course. When you're brought to that new control panel, you'll see a list of the domains in the order in which they're expiring. That is the status on this page. Since we just bought a domain that starts with W, I'm going to click on the domains heading, and that is going to sort my domains alphabetically, first in starting A to Z, and then if I click it again, it'll go Z to A. So we're going to find the domain I just bought, which was wp1mo.com. If I click on that, it takes me to a domain information page. So I haven't done anything with this domain since purchasing it. What we see on the screen here is some details about the domain. It's active, which means it's purchased and ready to be used. It's got a registration date and a renewal date. Whois Privacy is turned on, transfer lock is on, auto renew is on. So let's walk through these details. Later, we'll take a deeper dive into the DNS. Whois Privacy is one of the best features of Hover.com. What it does is it protects your registration records so people can't spam you either via snail mail or email to try to purchase your domain or scam you by trying to get you to renew your domain at a higher price. Whois Privacy swaps out your name, address, phone number, and email with some dummy information for the company. Most domain registrars will charge you extra for Whois Privacy, but Hover includes it in the price. Transfer lock means that somebody can't request to grab this domain from you. So if somebody else wanted the domain wp1mo.com, they could try to transfer it to their account. There's a few other steps they would have to go through, but right off the bat, they would get a message saying transfer lock is on, so this domain cannot be transferred. Auto renew is on so that my domain doesn't accidentally expire. And the authorization code is the second piece of transferring the domain. If you did want to transfer the domain to somebody, you would have to turn transfer lock off, and then they would request to transfer the domain to their account, and then they would have to provide the authorization code that you give them. The name servers are what manages the DNS. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to change the name servers, where to find that information, and exactly what it means to change them. And then in the advanced topics lesson, we're going to take a walk through the DNS and learn exactly what each record means, how to change it, and why we would change it. But for now, that's it for this lesson. In it, we learned about the information attached to our newly registered domain, including what Whois Privacy is, what we need to do to transfer a domain, and why it's important to have auto renew on. In the next lesson, like I said, we'll be changing the name servers to see exactly how to do that and what it does. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. If you did, go ahead and click the like button, or even better, head over to wpin1month.com/hover and check them out. Buy your domain from them. They're offering a nice discount for anybody who has never bought a domain from them who are students of WP in 1 month. The next video should be right below me, unless you're on the last video, which in that case, congratulations, you have completed the domains and DNS course. Thanks.